9:15 cross-country service to Manchester City from Bournemouth. 2:20.021. Good old cross-country sport car services. Right, here comes the 8:21 Chiltern Railways service to London Marylebone from Birmingham Moor Street. 168.214. That's busy. Excuse me. Here comes the 8:30 Chiltern Railways service to Birmingham Moor Street from London Marylebone. 168.216. I feel like I'm about to get bowled by cross-country behind, but here comes Chiltern Masborough freight train. I don't see the cross-country yet, which is good. 192, sorry, where did I get 8 from? Oh, I can see the cross-country. And here comes the 8:38 cross-country service to Bournemouth from Manchester, from Nottingham actually, I think this one's from. 2:1.131. I think this is the morning one that starts at Nottingham. And there's the tail end of that freight. Right, leaving now, it's going to be the 0840. West Midlands Railway service to Nuneaton via Coventry. 196.003. Incoming is the 0853 Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone from Birmingham Moor Street. 168.004. Right, here's the 0901 Chiltern Railway service to Birmingham Snow Hill from London Marylebone. 168.113. Which is connected to don't make me walk an inch more to try and find a number. 168.328. Right, terminating here at Leamington Spa for Stratford-upon-Avon is going to be another Chiltern Railway service. 168.324. Which is pretty empty. There's only like probably about 6, 7, 8 people on that train. Right, 168.324 is going to go up to the signal up there, reverse and come into the bay on platform 1. Doesn't sound bloody healthy. So yeah. Right, yeah, I could have had an extra hour in bed because terminating off of Nuneaton is going to be another West Midlands Railway service. Because the rail tours within like 17 minutes late. 196.011. Right, it's the 917 cross-country service to Manchester City from Warwick. 2:1.137. That 168 that we saw go out has now reversed and it's coming back into platform 1. The bay ready to form that Stratford service in about 25 minutes. Right, we're still rolling. Now, I was going to get this train to Banbury, but the rail adventure HSTs are still not here yet. But it is 168 and 212, 217. I don't know why I keep saying the numbers wrong. On the 921, Chiltern Railways service to London Marylebone. So it looks like I'm on that blooming cross country.